Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. And today I want to chat with you about open houses. Now, a lot of times people say open houses don't work. Like they can be a waste of time, or maybe houses sell too fast in our market right now for open houses to work. But I think, guys, those are all myths, right? What do we know? We know that the faster we can get in front of people, the better chance we're going to have to connect with them, right? So let's look at this real quick. There are a ton of houses today that have open houses already scheduled on them, right? Just in our market alone, there are 132 properties for sale that have an open house scheduled, right? What can we do? We know that we don't have to have an open house scheduled on a Sunday. We can do it any day of the week, especially in this market, right? What else can we do at open houses? Guys, my next favorite thing to do at open house is to never bring a sign-in sheet, right? So many of us are scared to talk to people when they walk in, or especially new agents are scared to talk to folks. I want to give you this tip right here. Instead of asking a sign-in sheet, I want to encourage you to do this. Hey guys, welcome in. My name is Zach. Stick out your hand, right? They're going to shake your hand, or maybe if you're they'll COVID fist bump you, whatever, and they're going to respond back with their name. Right now, you've got their name, and give them a quick overview of the house. Well, guys, come on in. We've got an office over here, dining room over there. Really big open kitchen living area, master beds over here, Jack and Jill on the other side, or two bedrooms with a Jack and Jill on the other side, bonus room upstairs. Guys, take a look around. Let me know what questions you have, and stop and walk away. As they go through the house, guys, you can catch up with them, ask them questions, get to know them. Hey, do you guys live in the neighborhood, or are you looking for a house? Well, if they live in the neighborhood, guys, those are your future sellers, right? Those are the other people that are interested in selling their house, or other people in the neighborhood that are interested in selling their house, right? So remember, those guys are awesome to talk to. Okay. And if they're looking for a home in the area, guys, then it's a regular conversation. Remember, open houses are not a waste of time, and we want you to remember that we don't want to ask them for a sign-in sheet. We want to ask them for their name and number, or name when they come in. Now, when we ask them when their name when they come in and get to know them, in order to get the rest of their contact information to follow up, we're going to have to offer them something of value. So let's say they live in the neighborhood, right? If they live in the neighborhood, one of the things we recommend doing, and we love doing, what our agents love doing, is offering to send them everything that's in the neighborhood that's for sale, and keeping them in sold in what it sells for. And we can keep them in the loop for that every month, maybe a couple times a month. So we're going to send them sold properties in their neighborhood, maybe twice a month. You can use your CRM system and your IDX system to do that. What does that do? It helps us nurture the relationships with potential sellers in those neighborhoods, right? It's really important. On the flip side of that, if they are looking to buy in the area, let's get to know what they're looking for and offer to send them some more properties. And if they say yes, great. Let's add them to your CRM and start sending them properties, right? Offer to help, offer guidance, offer a reason for them to give you their contact information, right, guys? Truly try to help them. Don't look out for yourself. Truly try to help them. Offer something of value. You'll have no problem connecting and getting their contact information. It's going to be much more accurate if you're offering to give them something rather than using a sign-on sheet. Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co.